Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And get your shortwave radio started. I don't know what's going on, but a couple of days ago, the solar flux index. Now, the solar flux index, let's go over here, measures the solar flux units, and it's the amount of radio noise coming from the sun. And a number greater than, and I'll go down here at the bottom. Okay. A number greater than 70, but not 80, is not so good. And that's what it's been for 9 months. A number of 80 or greater is good. 90 is better, and 100 plus is excellent for shortwave propagation. So we've been waiting and waiting for the numbers to get out of the 70s. And starting a couple of days ago, they did. And here is the current one, 88. We haven't seen an 88 in a year. And part of this is related to the current sunspot count, which is high of 36 right now. Now, the two other indexes, the K index and the A index, you want those numbers to be low. Well, the A index is a 12. That's kind of high, so you're going to have some noise come along with your radio propagation. So, fire up those shortwave radios, and I'm pretty sure you can pick up some stations. I don't know how long this is going to last. Why all of a sudden, let me see if I can find the chart down here. Actually, it doesn't even show it on the chart yet. Let me go back up to solar flux. Sunspot numbers, that it just said at the top it's 36. It doesn't show here. There's a big spike. You can see it's been running in the mud for over a year. So I don't know why all of a sudden there are a bunch of sunspots, which is causing the solar flux index to increase, which should improve shortwave reception. I don't know what's. I looked at Dr. Scove's website, YouTube channel, and the report for this week. She doesn't even mention 80s. So this has just recently happened. Within the past couple of days. I'm so excited I can't even talk. So anyway, I did a scan of the shortwave band using the Rectivus TR608 with my 31-foot vertical antenna attached. And it is about 6:30 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. So I'm going to turn this on and let you listen to what it found. Okay, that's 3.21 megahertz. That's a preacher man probably coming out of Tennessee. Let's go to the next one. There he is again at 484. Now, these stations, there he is again at 5.89. These stations were booming in 5 minutes ago. I'll let you listen, I'll shut up.
The last moment, the last hour, and I can tell you with all godly sincerity.
Okay, moving on.
How a man can be born again and there's no way that a man or woman can crawl back in the womb of some child in their lifetime.
Okay, I think that is the Caribbean Beacon, that's the name of the show, at 5.93, and it's booming in.
Find that same Nicodemus is the man bringing the bag of myrrh and aloe to bury Jesus. There's someone who's been named.
And that's a transmitter in the Caribbean. Let me keep going. That's 5.98. I think that's Radio Habana. 6.03, 7.07. That sounds like data. That's in the ham band. 7.6. Nothing there right now. 7.85. It's a beacon or something. Very loud. Very strong. 9.33. That, let me look that one up. That was a new one to me. That's 9.33. Oh, that's WBCQ out of Monticello, which is Northeast United States. I haven't heard them in a long time. It's coming and going. I'll shut up for a second. See what else it found. 9.79. Nope. 10 megahertz. Loud. Clear. Come on. I want to hear the beep at the minute. It's got a little bit of noise in the background. There it went. There it went. 10 megahertz. That's about it. So, reception has improved. You know, when I did a show on this radio a few days ago, it got several stations, and this morning it got more. I don't know how long this is going to last, so I suggest you turn on your shortwave radios and start listening and try to get some stations before whatever is going on goes away. That's it. Have a great day. Goodbye.